In this video, let us see question number 6 of exercise 14.1. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Daily expenditure on food in rupees is given here as class intervals. The number of households is the frequency. The frequencies are given here. We have to find the mean daily expenditure on food by a suitable method. The daily expenditure and number of households are written as vertical columns. Here the daily expenditure is class interval. The number of households is frequency. Here it is already given 25 households are there. So the number of households, the summation of Fi is 25. To find the mean, first we have to take class mark. Class mark is xi here. Class mark is the midpoint of the class intervals. Class mark is the midpoint of the class intervals. The class interval, the first class interval is 100 to 150. 100 plus 150 by 2. This is 250 by 2. We get 125. So in this way we can write 125 here, or we can take the class size. Class size is 150 minus 100. This is 50. Half of the class size is 25. Add this half of class size to lower boundary. So L plus H by 2. Here we get 100 plus 25. It is 125. In this way, we can write the class marks. So here 150 plus 25, we get 175. 200 plus 25, 225. 250 plus 25, 275. 300 plus 25, 325. These are the class marks. We have large numbers. So let us go for either assumed mean method or step deviation method. First, let us take the deviations. Di is equal to xi minus a. Let us choose assumed mean as the mid value here. The mid value of xi, this is 225. This has the highest frequency. So it is better to choose this one only. A is equal to 225. So di is equal to xi minus 225. Here xi is 125. So 125 minus 225 is minus 100. 175 minus 225 is minus 50. 225 minus 225 is 0. 275 minus 225 is 50. 325 minus 225 is 100. Now, observing these deviation values, we know that these are the multiples of 50. So let us choose H as 50. U values, Ui is equal to di by H. So this becomes Ui is equal to di by 50 in this case. Now minus 100 by 50 is minus 2. Minus 50 by 50 is minus 1. Here we get 0, 1, 2. Now we have to find the product Fi Ui. F is 4 here. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 5 into minus 1. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. 12 into 0 is 0. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. The sum of negative values is minus 13. The sum of positive values is 6. The difference is minus 7. So sum of FIUI is minus 7. Now we have obtained sigma Fi and sigma FIUI. We can calculate the mean now. Mean x bar is equal to A plus sigma FIUI by sigma Fi into H. Now substitute the values. We get A is equal to 225. So 225 plus sigma FIUI we obtained minus 7 by sigma Fi is 25 into H is 50. Here 25 and 50 can be cancelled out. Dividing by 25 we get 1 here and 2 here. So this is 225 plus minus 14. Now we get 211. So what is the question here? The mean daily expenditure on food. The mean daily expenditure on food. Therefore, the mean daily expenditure on food is 211. This is rupees 211.